What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey. If you're not new, then you already know what's up. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a seafood mukbang. Get to know me, because I know y'all don't know me and all this and that. So I'm gonna do it for y'all, because I feel like y'all should know me if I'm gonna know y'all too. So as you can see, I got my questions right here, and we're gonna get right into it. So the first question is, when is my birthday? My birthday is December the 12th, which just passed, because my cake was so cute. Like, December the 12th, it's something about it. The 12th day, the 12th month. Okay. Next question is, what's my zodiac sign? My zodiac sign is a Sagittarius. I mean, Sagittarius gonna always do it right, no matter what. Because if you ain't a Sagittarius, they don't know what you is. Like, Sagittarius, really, people be saying Sagittarius cheat and all this thing. Baby, Sagittarius is not cheat. Sagittarius gonna keep it real, and they gonna be loyal to you. Next is, what's my age? I am 17 years old. I just turned 17, and next year I'll be 18. Like, legal, baby. So, next question is, what's my favorite color? My favorite color, I have a lot of different favorite colors. Well, I only have three. It's red, pink, and black. Those are my favorite colors. Next question is, what is my height? I am 5'7.5", which is crazy. I don't like being tall, but I real low key do, because it just keeps you. Next is, what is my biggest fear? My biggest fear is losing someone that I love so much, like a family member. Because once I lose my family member, like I lost my papa, and it really hurt me. Like, it didn't hurt me at the moment, but like when I realized it, it hurt me. Like, I was hurt for a couple of days, and it hurt real bad. That's why I always try to love them. You should always love your family, because you never know when their time is to leave. Next is, who's my favorite female artist? My favorite female artist is Summer Walker, cause Summer Walker. But yeah, my favorite female artist is Summer Walker, because Summer Walker gonna always hit. Her old albums gonna always blow. Nope, either way it go. So, Summer Walker really is the best. Who's my favorite male artist? Rod Wave. It always gonna be Rod Wave, because it's just like, when I be sad, I always have something to listen to, and it always cheer me back up. So, describe myself. I'm shy. When it comes down to being around people I don't know, I'm very shy, because I'm like, if they don't talk to me first, I'm not gonna talk to them. Next is, do I want kids? Yes, I want kids, but later on in the future. Like in the future. Not right now. Like when I'm about 25, I don't want kids right now. Mm. What's my favorite fast food restaurant? As y'all can see, I'm eating seafood right now. So juicy crab gonna always be the hit. What's your biggest pet peeve? My biggest pet peeve is when someone lie to me. Like, what is you lying about? Cause why do you gotta lie to me? Just keep it real. Mm, favorite feature about myself? I don't have a favorite feature. I just love myself. This is yeah. I can't say what's my favorite feature. My future career. My future career is that I want to be a a real estate a realtor because I love watching the house movies. I love just everything about houses. I like to decorate. What's my dream vacation? My dream vacation is going to Dubai or Turks. Um, do I care about zodiac signs in a relationship? I really don't, because a zodiac sign can't tell you about their person. It's all about their personality. You gotta get to know them for yourself, not just be on the zodiac sign, because zodiac signs do be lying sometimes, but then sometimes they be right. What do you call a perfect date? A perfect a perfect date. I can't say what's a perfect date because for one, I never been on one for real, but it's coming soon. mm What's my dream car? My dream car is a I don't know. Now I don't know about the expensive car, but right now, it's a Kia K5 in a Jeep. Um, what's my favorite chocolate? My favorite chocolate is Snickers. I can eat Snickers every day. I may have braces, but I don't care. Mm, where I'm from Mississippi. I'm not gonna tell y'all what part, but I'm from Mississippi. Mm, what's something that makes me happy? Something that makes me happy is really, really like shopping. Cause when I shop, it's like I'm shopping for me, like or anybody else. I don't care. Cause I love to shop. I just feel like when I'm shopping, I can relieve everything. Basically, that's how I feel. Because the more I relieve stuff, the better it get. I just feel like that'll be a good thing because I love to shop. Like I really do. It'd be so relieving. But this is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.